So, class 12, chapter 1, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So, there are 5 topics. First topic, flower, a fascinating organ of angiosperm, pre-fertilization structures and its events, double fertilization, post-fertilization structure and events, then apomixis and polyembryony. So, start, we read, are we not lucky that plants reproduce asexually? The myriads of flowers that we enjoy gazing at, the scents and the perfumes that we soon over, the rich colors that attract us, are all there as an aid to sexual reproduction. Flowers do not exist only for us to be used for our own selfishness. All flowering plants show sexual reproduction. A look at the diversity of structures of inflorescence, flowers, and floral parts shows an amazing range of adaptations to ensure formation of the end product of sexual reproduction, the fruits and seeds. In this chapter, let us understand the morphology, structures, and the processes of sexual reproduction in flowering plants like angiosperms. So, flower, a fascinating organ of angiosperms. Humans have had an intimate relationship with flowers since time immemorial. Flowers are objects of aesthetic, ornamental, social, religious, and cultural value. They have always been used as symbols for conveying important human feelings such as love, affections, happiness, grief, mourning, etc. List at least 5 flowers of ornamental value that are commonly cultivated at homes and in gardens. Find out the names of 5 more flowers that are used in social, cultural celebrations in your family. Have you heard of floriculture? What does it refer to? To a biologist, flowers are morphological and embryological marvels and the sites of sexual reproduction. In class 11, you have read the various parts of flower, and in figure 1.1 will help you recall the parts of a typical flower. Can you name the 2 parts in a flower in which the 2 most important units of sexual reproduction develop? So see the diagrammatic representation of flower. See, this is style, stigma, anther, petal, filament, sepal, ovary. So then we study pre-fertilization and structure and events. Much before the actual flower is seen on a plant, the decision of that the plant is going to flower has taken place. Several hormonal and structural changes are initiated which lead to the differentiation and further development of the floral primordium. Inflorescences are formed which bear the floral buds and then the flowers. In the flower, the male and female reproductive structures, the androecium and the gynoecium, differentiate and develop. You would recollect that the androecium consists of a whole of stamens representing the male reproductive organ, and the gynoecium represents the female reproductive organ.